Hi teacher. Then my partner Víctor Aparicio and I, Selene Rodriguez, we present our checklist of the study of time and movements. The first step to perform is the beginning is necessary for the operator to perfectly master the technique of the work to be studied. Is its duration will be measurement with a stopwatch, the time being recorded. Step number 2. Before recording the time, the analyst must access and assign the activity. Step number 3. For each operation, a certain number of measurements must be taken depending on its complexity, size, repetition, and importance. Step number 4. After taking the required number of measurements, a scan will be run for each an operation to obtain the normal time for the operation. Step number 5. The analyst must be as delayed as possible to be fair and avoid deviation. Furthermore, he must be careful not to change technique.
Hi, I'm Paul, and continuing with our checklist, I'm gonna talk the next point. As my partner Selene said, the next point is the objective is to calculate times are equitable for both the company and the worker. Furthermore, standardize the process. 7. The corresponding supplements will be applied to each normal time, thus obtaining the correct time for each operation. The next step will be calculate what is the normal frequency of each operation. In the other words, how many times it is repeated. This frequency will be variable based on a series of formulas and statistic parameters. With all this process, what you intend is to get simulate in a spreadsheet a study of methods, moves and times, all the variables and parameters that influence the time of a task. As we can see in this example, the movements that the person performs must be measured exactly. Well, to sum up, we have to take into account that study of time and movements is not easy at all. Is science. It must be taken into account that working with people is not entirely exact, and there might be a lot of variation depending of the situation and which the personal feel.